welcome to another vlog. And yeah, we are on vacation. It's Giordano, by the way.
Hey.
And yeah, we have yet another beach day because this is really the best thing to do. You know, it doesn't cost money and you can just bring as much food as you want and you can stay here as long as you want. So yeah, I'm gonna of course take you with us this week with all the activities we have planned. And now I'm just gonna show you what delicious food we brought here to the beach. Okay, look at this. We have of course some cheese, then some grapes and those pretzels, and really nice kombucha from Flex and Kale. It's like one of our favorite restaurants here in Barcelona. And we also found those Warbite bars, which are really delicious. They have different kind of flavors. Here we have apple cinnamon, lime, and orange cacao. And of course, some cava. Cheers, Giordano.
Salute.
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 You don't believe what people say. You wanna live in a pure world, hiding your peace from my eyes. I can leave my sweet home.
Hello. So this is like an unusual setup today, but we are actually going live on Twitch in like half an hour. So my husband and I were also a DJ team, and we are called Innocent Youth, and we are having a little party tonight. So I will also link everything down below if you're interested in our Twitch streams. We don't stream like regularly, but yeah, from time to time we have DJ sets. Since we cannot really do anything in the club anymore, this is like a good alternative. And I just want to show you our setup real quick because it's a TikTok party. Okay, so we have quite a professional setup here. Here we have, of course, the camera for the streaming. We have a nice table set up here with the DJ controller, speakers. Then, another laptop for the beamer. Because we have here in the back, we're showing some TikTok videos like "Oh No" compilations, which are always really, really funny. And here is the beamer then in the kitchen. So we have a lot of stuff going on actually, but it's always a lot of fun to do and always nice to connect with people that way. So we are on our way to MACBA. That's like the modern art museum here in Barcelona. I will also like put somewhere on the top or on the bottom like all the artists we're gonna see. But we thought it's a really good opportunity to do something on a Saturday. And also good to know is that it's always free entry on Saturdays. So see you soon.
See girls, please invite me.